Hello friends, welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we will learn how to connect a CCTV camera to your laptop. For this setup, we have used an IndigoVision IP Dome camera and whose IP address is 192.168.2.100. This IP camera is connected to a PoE switch and our laptop whose IP address is 192.168.2.2 is being connected to the same PoE switch. Now let's do this configuration for this setup. In order to connect our laptop with an IP CCTV camera, both laptop and IP CCTV camera must be in the same network range. As we know the IP details of our camera, we will assign the same IP address range to our laptop. Let's assign an IP address to our laptop. In order to assign IP address to a laptop, we will go to the network and sharing center. As you can see, my laptop is connected with two networks. First is the wireless network of my home Wi-Fi router and second is the local area connection on which IP camera is wired to my laptop via PoE switch. Let's open the properties of local area connection on which an IP camera is wired to. We'll select here Internet Protocol version 4 and we'll open its properties. As you can see that my laptop is without an IP address. We will assign a static IP address which will be in the same range of our IP camera. IP address of our camera is 192.168.2.100, but for my laptop we will use an IP address 192.168.2.2 and the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0 and the default gateway will be 192.168.2.1. Let's save the settings here. Now, how we can check that our laptop has started communicating with an IP camera? For this, we have a very useful Windows tool which is called command prompt. Command prompt can be opened by pressing Windows and R key, which will open a run window. In the open text box, we have to enter text CMD and press enter. You will see a black window will appear. This is our command prompt tool. In order to check whether our laptop is communicating with IP camera or not, we will type a command here which is ping ping space 192.168.2.100, which is an IP address of our camera, and then press enter. As you can see that we are getting replies from the camera. It means that my laptop is able to communicate with an IP camera. Now let's open our camera on browser. I will always recommend to use Internet Explorer to open CCTV camera web page. Now let's enter IP address of our CCTV camera, which is 192.168.2.100. Now, as you can see, we have landed on camera login web page, and the username here is admin, and we will enter the password associated with this username. After entering username and password, we will land on the live page of the camera. On the live view, you will find two stream tabs, which is here, first is the main substream tab and second is substream tab. Let's select main substream on mainstream tab. Now let's select mainstream on mainstream tab. You will see some information on the live view page of the camera. On the left hand side, you will see the bitrate of your camera, which is changing continuously, and on the left hand side on the right hand side you will see resolution of our camera, which is set here to 1280 into 720p. Similarly, you will see different text available on this live view of the camera. Like on the left hand side, you will have a text overlay, which is named here as headquarter. On the right hand top side, you will see a present date and time stamp. And on the bottom right hand side, you will see channel title, which is named here as main entrance. Now, as you can see, we have total of 5 different tabs available here. First is the live tab, second playback, setup, alarm and logout. Other tab important features we will see in our upcoming lecture.